What's up, guys? We had Wahlburgers in Springfield, Mass. Trying it for the first time. I got the double decker. Comes with everything, but I don't want no tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna rate it 1 through 10. So we got the milkshake, guys. The vanilla milkshake. We're gonna try it. Oh nah, it's hitting for real. Mm-hmm.
1 through 10.
1 through 10. I say 9. All right, guys, we got the burger. We about to try it. You know I gotta have the ketchup for the fries. That's a must. Crispy. Good. I'll say, let's see. Out of 1 to 10, 10. We got the burger. Oh, this is dope. Take this out. I got the double decker. Let's see how this hit. Damn. Wow. This was so good. I'll say 1 to 10, 9. Onions on point, pickles on point, bacon on point. I recommend. So guys, this is the aftermath of what went down. I destroyed everything. And fries gone pretty much. I'm gonna tell you right now, probably the best burger hands down that I ever tried. So overall rate, I say 10 out of 10. So I highly recommend.